Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. Are you nervous about speaking English when you travel?
Do you feel scared? Scared to take a taxi? Scared to check into a hotel? Maybe scared to order food?
Your heart beats fast. Your mind goes blank. You think, I don't know what to say.
We understand. We really do. But today is different. Today, we change that.
Yes, today you will learn the most important English for travel. Only the easy, useful sentences. No grammar rules, no difficult words.
We will practice together in 10 simple travel situations, from the airport to your hotel to a restaurant and even an emergency.
You can do this. It is easy, and we are here with you. So please relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Welcome, everyone, to another lesson with Sarah and Paul on your friendly English learning channel.
Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here today. If you are new here, we help you speak English without fear. Please, if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Then you never miss our easy, helpful lessons.
And please give this video a like if it helps you. It helps us too. Now let's talk about our topic, travel English.
Travel English is simple. You don't need 100 sentences. You need maybe 5 sentences for each situation, and you repeat them. That's all.
Okay, you found the taxi. Situation 2, taking a taxi. This is easy. You need to tell the driver where you want to go. Paul, you are the driver.
Hello. Where to?
Hello, to the Grand Hotel, please.
The Grand Hotel. Okay.
And how much will it cost, approximately?
Approximately $20.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Key sentences. Tell the driver your destination. To the Grand Hotel, please. Or to this address, please. You can show the address on your phone. Then ask about money. How much will it cost? Or what is the fare? Let's practice.
Repeat after Paul.
To the city center, please.
How much will it cost? When you arrive, you pay. You can say, here you are, or can I pay by card? But always say, thank you, goodbye. You arrived at your hotel. Situation 3, hotel check-in. You go to the front desk. I will be the hotel worker.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Hello, what is your name, please?
My name is Paul Chen.
Yes, Mr. Chen, for 3 nights. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your room is 405. Here is your key card. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you. Where is the elevator?
The elevator is there, on your right.
Thank you very much.
You see, the most important phrase, I have a reservation, and can I see your passport, please, is a common question. You just say, yes, here you are. Let's all say the key sentence. I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Sometimes you need something in your room. Maybe more towels, or the Wi-Fi is not working.
What do you say, let's make a small phone call?
5.
Hello, Mr. Chen. How can I help you?
Can I have more towels, please?
Certainly.
Thank you.
2 great phrases. Can I have, please, for things you need, And the is not working for problems. Say with me.
Can I have more towels, please?
The Now you are going out to see the city. Situation 5. Asking for directions. This is very useful. You can stop a friendly person. Paul, you look lost.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
Yes, hello?
Can you help me? I am looking for Central Park.
Oh, Central Park. It's not far. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. You will see it.
Go straight, then turn right. Thank you. Is it walking distance?
Yes, about a 10-minute walk.
Thank you for your help.
The key phrase is, I'm looking for. What are you looking for? A museum, a restaurant, a station? I'm looking for the subway station. And is it walking distance is a very useful question. Repeat after me.
I'm looking for a good restaurant. You found the restaurant. Situation 6. Ordering food. Don't be scared. The menu has pictures, and you can take your time.
For your drink?
Just water, please. Bottled water.
Okay, thank you.
Later, after eating. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Beautiful. I would like is the perfect polite way to order. Not I want, but I would like. And to finish, can I have the bill, please? Everyone say it.
I would like the fish and rice.
Can I have the bill, please?
Maybe you want to buy a souvenir. Situation 7. Shopping.
Looking at a t-shirt. Excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, do you have this in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Later. Okay, I will take this. How much is it?
It's $25.
Here you are.
So useful. Do you have this in a larger or smaller size? Can I try it on? And finally, I will take this. Let's practice together.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Pause. Can I try it on? Pause.
I will take this.
Pause.
You want to use the bus or subway. Situation 8. Buying a ticket.
Next, please.
Hello. 1 ticket to the museum, please.
One way or round trip?
1 way, please.
That's $3.
Here you are. Which platform for the museum?
Platform number 2.
Thank you.
Simple. 1 ticket to, please. They might ask one way or round trip. One way is for going only. Round trip is for going and coming back. And which platform is good for trains. Sometimes a small problem happens. Don't panic.
Excuse me. Sorry, I need help.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go to the lost and found.
Or, my phone battery is dead. Can I borrow your charger?
Of course. Here is a charger.
And the polite question, can I borrow? Everyone say it with confidence.
I lost my bag. Pause.
My phone is dead.
Pause. Can I borrow your charger? Pause.
Now, we hope this never happens, but it is important to know. Situation 10. A serious emergency. This is very, very simple English. You must be clear and loud.
Yes, only a few words. Paul, show them.
Help! Help me, please.
Or you need to call for an ambulance or police.
Call an ambulance. Call the police.
If you are hurt, you say, I am hurt, or my friend is hurt.
And the most important word, emergency. You can tell someone it's an emergency.
We will say these words once. They are strong words. We hope you never use them, but it is good to know. Repeat only if you want to.
Help.
Call an ambulance.
It's an emergency.
Okay, now let's breathe. It's okay. We are safe. We learned the words just in case. Now let's go back and review the happy daily sentences.
Yes, let's review the most useful sentences from today. Please repeat with us. Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Excuse me, can you help me please?
Where's the taxi?
I have a reservation.
Can I have more towels, please?
I am looking for Central Park.
I would like the chicken pasta.
Can I have the bill please?
Do you have this in a larger size?
One ticket to the museum please.
I lost my wallet.
Wonderful, you did it. You practiced 10 travel situations.
Remember, my friends, travel English is not about perfect grammar. It is about communication. Say the words, smile. People will help you.
Your pronunciation is okay. Your confidence is more important. Believe us, you know enough English to travel now.
A very common mistake is being silent because you are afraid. Please don't be silent. Try your English. Say, excuse me, and then your sentence. People are usually kind.
Yes, the biggest mistake is not trying. So try. You will feel so good, so proud of yourself.
We are proud of you for learning today. You are becoming a confident English speaker.
So, what should you do next? Practice these sentences. Say them every day before your trip. Listen to this video again. Speak with us.
And tell us in the comments, which situation is most useful for you? Is it the taxi, the restaurant? Write I would like or I have a reservation in the comments. We love to read your comments.
Also, tell us what you want to learn next. Airport English? English for making friends? Tell us.
If this lesson helped you, please share it with a friend who is also learning. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Thank you so much for your time today. Keep practicing. You can do this. We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Have a wonderful day and happy travels.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.